Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on Microsoft SQL Server. In this session we will learn about the T-Sql select queries. So let's start our session with select statement. SQL Server select statement is used to fetch the data from a database table which returns data in the form of result table. These result tables are called result sets. You can have a look at the syntax of select statement. We will do practical at the end of this session. Now let's understand distinct statement. The MS SQL Server distinct keyword is used in conjunction with select statement to eliminate all the duplicate records and fetching only unique records. Watch the syntax on your screen. Microsoft SQL Server, alias statement. You can rename a table or a column temporarily by giving another name known as alias. The use of table aliases is to rename a table in a specific SQL statement. The renaming is a temporary change and the actual table name does not change in the database. You can see the syntax on your screen. Watch it carefully. Now let's see case statement in MS SQL. Case is used to provide if-then-else type of logic to SQL. There are two formats. The first is a simple case expression, where we compare an expression to static values. The second is a searched case expression, where we compare an expression to one or more logical conditions. We will see both in the example. Let's see the syntax. Now it's time to see some practical. We will do simple examples of stated topics in this session. Watch them carefully. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.